So now I'm going to show you how to make kind of like a bed alcove. So I noticed that when I was drawing this, if you watched my other videos, such as drawing a straight ladder and then the hallway, you'll notice that the top of the ladder is here. So actually I had my paper upside down, and when I decided to put my hallway on this side of my paper, this being my floor, I actually should have had my paper turned around. So this is actually how my paper should look. So this is the top of the ladder, and now my hallway is to the left as opposed to the right. So I'm going to show you how to make the bed alcove. So we are basically going to do the same thing we did with windows. So I'm going to take my ruler, I'm going to place my ruler here, and I'm going to slide this back and decide how big do you want that little bed alcove to be. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do something like maybe that big. And I need to not lose my vanishing point. So my vanishing point is like right there. It's kind of behind the ladder a little bit. I'm going to put it back in because I always need to know where my vanishing point is. And I'm going to draw a guideline going back and this guideline going back. So this is kind of very similar to windows and doing this alcove. Same basic concept. Now I'm going to decide how far back I want my bed alcove to go. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to bring this back, I think, pretty much all the way till the end here, right here. And I'm going to, so now if you look at this, I've basically just created a window, or the start of a window. Except now I'm going to go in, and now I'm going to, I want a little, you know what, we're going to add a mattress in here. So I'm going to put a dot here. I'm going to put a dot there because we want a mattress. We don't want to be really flat. So I'm going to take a dot here, and I'm going to put this back, and I'm going to do something like this. And then I'm going to curve this. I'm going to curve right here to kind of show my mattress up against that part of the wall. And then from here, I'm going to line up my ruler along the edge and the top of my mattress, and I'm going to go back. So there I have kind of a thick part of my mattress, and then I need to show the ceiling of my alcove, my little nook. So there's the ceiling of my little nook, and now you could go in and you could make, you know, maybe there's a pillow here. You could draw a pillow in there and add some stuffed animals, some posters on the wall, something hanging. So that's how you can make an alcove with a little mattress and the bed. You could even add some, maybe there's a blanket that's kind of coming down and then coming back up. So you can get creative on your own little alcove. Have fun.